Ang siguro maganda, talk to Jim about what he wants to do. Meron siyang gustong gawin tungkol sa mga OCW eh.
Oo, yung
gusto niyang
workers.
Hindi maging useless ang kanilang pagbisita rito. Na ang OCW, ang OCW, they come here because they go and work outside. Not because of the heck of just working. The objective nila is to have a house and send their children to school. Yan ang reason why they go there. Nothing more, nothing less.
Dream house and education.
Pero lagi yan natatanso. Nagpapadala sila ng pera rito para magawa yung bahay. Pag dumating yung OCW, ang nagawa, singalong, tricycle. At kung ano, cellphone. Pero the objective of the house was never met. Now, Mr. Jimmy wants to help the OCW. Pagdating niya rito, he will pay Mr. Jimmy. We will teach them the technology. They will build their own house. And when they build their own house, because they have all acquired skills when they're working abroad. Effectively, with their skill and building their house, saves them 30% of the cost of building a house.
Tama-tama.
Yan ang gusto ni Jimmy.
Yung perang, halimbawa, monthly na sweldo nila, may mapupuntahan na kagad.
At saka yung pera na pinadala nila dito, hawak-hawak nila. Wala makakagalaw nun. Pag pinadala nila dito yan, binigay nila sa nanay niya, asawa niya, baka
magagastos pa eh.
Baka kailangan ng may bibilhin na
utangin pa.
TV. Baka mayroong mga kamag-anak na may kailangan ng tulong.
Napupunta sa home credit. Dapat dito na lang.
Hawak-hawak niya. Pagdating niya, yun lang talagang bago siya umalis, nakabuo na yung frame ng bahay. Wala nang magagawa. Yung sa pondo, wala na. Doon lang talagang dedicated.
Kaya nga. Yun ang ating gagawin sa ating marketing strategy.
Pero kung dito na
Okay.
Alam mo, gagawin lang naman nila, Brian, ang OCW. Mag-open sila ng account sa bangko. Doon sila nagdi-deposit doon sa fund na yun. Pagdating dito, we withdraw nila doon para doon sa bahay.
Kumbaga, safe na pera muna nila.
Hindi mapupunta, madadivert yung pera sa ibang bagay. Kasi alam mo, yung ating kababayan, kawawa, hirap na hirap doon. Dadating dito, padadala ng pera si Mrs. Naalaman ng kapitbahay, nagpadala ng pera, pupuntahan, uutangin.
Kamag-anak.
Kamag-anak, uutangin. Ngayon kukolektahan, hindi na mababayaran. So yung panaginip na bahay, hindi natutuloy.
Kaya
nagmulmul yung anak, nagpabili ng cellphone. Magkano cellphone ngayon? Hindi mo naman mabibili 500 ng cellphone. Mga 10,000, 20,000 hanggang 40, hanggang 100 pa.
Bahay na yun.
Cellphone na yan. Paano yung load? Uubusin yung monthly mo. So yung talagang pinaghihirapan ng ating kababayan na OCW, hindi napupunta doon sa takdang mission niya na magkaroon ng bahay at mapadala yung anak niya sa eskwela. Di ba? Sa mahusay na eskwela. Ngayon, umiisip si Mr. Jimmy ng programa na yung ikaw, trinabaho mo, talagang pupunta doon sa taktang mission mo.
Sa bahay.
Magkabahay. Di ba?
Magandang po nyo.
Actually, ang OCW, papakinggan mo, ang daming story niya. Hindi napunta sa bahay na nabili singalong, nabili tricycle, nabili refrigerator, inutang ng kamag-anak. Pero yung bahay, hindi na nabuo.
The main goal, bahay, edukasyon.
Yan ang mission talaga. Kahit na sinong OCW, ang tanongin mo, the goal is only two things.
Sige.
A house, and school for the children.
Okay, yan ang gagawin natin. Tutulungan natin sila. Kailangan matap din natin si Toots Ople.
Ang gusto pa ni Sir Jimmy, aside from them building their house, they will now be entrepreneurs. They will now be the contractors of this technology. So kami, all we do is just manufacture and supply you. Kayo na magtayo ng bahay. Hindi na namin trabaho yun. Basta kami.
Yung buong komunidad, lalaki at lalaki. Tsaka yung gagawin nila, pride nila yun Di ba? Abang mahalin nila yung ginawa nila.
Achievement. Di ba?
So, the very reason why you go abroad is achieved. Di ba? But sa akin nga, so what I always say, I really don't subscribe to it. Because when the parents
Galing, no?
si Jimmy, minsan mag-isa their family. The very foundation of a family is eroding. No mother, no father. The children gets lost. Their values change. No? They become materialistic. And they fall to victims of people that are crazy. Sell them drugs, sell them cell phones, sell them stupid things. No? But never learn the right values of family. So sa atin, this is what, as much as possible, kami ni Jimmy, we don't like to export OCWs. We want to export technology, and we want to export professional expats. Paid 10 times what they get now. So, there is dignity. No, hindi katulad tayo when we go abroad. All Filipinos, immigration abroad, they think that we're all OCWs. Correct? There is a special lane only for Filipinos.
Ilang taon ka ba sa Bureau of Immigration?
5 years.
5 years, no?
Tama ba ako?